So what is a concentrate? Well, like the name suggests, concentrates are highly concentrated CBD oil and can have up to 2,700 milligrams of CBD content, which is around 300 servings. Concentrates typically come in an oral syringe. Because of this, many people are turned off at the first sight due to its looks. But don't judge a book by its cover. This is one of the best ways to administer CBD hemp oil without a variety of ingredients. Since this product is pure hemp oil and contains zero added ingredients, it is very effective, but it will not result in a good taste. For those who are just getting started with CBD and don't prefer the earthy taste, we recommend either our gummies or tinctures. Our concentrates come in 3 different varieties: green, blue, and gold. The green concentrate is for those who want to experience CBD in its most raw form. This full spectrum concentrate is not for the faint of heart, since it tastes more earthy than the other 2 varieties. The benefits of raw hemp oil are that it contains an abundance of CBDA. For those unfamiliar, CBDA is another cannabinoid and is a precursor to CBD. CBDA has many beneficial properties and can be helpful, if not more helpful, than CBD depending on the person. To make the blue concentrate, the green raw hemp oil undergoes a change called decarboxylation, which occurs when the hemp oil is heated up. This converts much of the CBDA to CBD, which results in a higher amount of both CBD and phytonutrients. Last but not least is the gold concentrate. To make this concentrate, the blue concentrate is filtered to remove all plant components, resulting in a higher concentration of CBD, which makes the gold perfectly suited for those who are only interested in the benefits of CBD. Now that you know what CBD concentrates are, let's talk about how to use them. Thankfully, even though it looks like one, it doesn't work like a syringe. To use a CBD concentrate, first remove the cap on the end. Then, slowly pushing on the opposite side, dispense 1 serving onto either your finger or a spoon. Each serving is around the size of 1 grain of rice. After that, simply put the serving under your tongue and let it sit for at least 90 seconds. The longer you let it sit, the more you will absorb. After waiting, simply swallow the remaining oil. We recommend using a drink for a better taste. When dealing with all natural or raw materials, there can be variations in how the product turns out. Sometimes our blue or gold concentrate can be a little runny. Don't panic if you find this, as you can easily store the concentrate in a refrigerator to help firm it up. Likewise, the green and blue concentrates, especially the green, can be firm depending on the batch. If your concentrate is not dissolving under your tongue, try running it under some warm water for up to 1 minute before dispensing.